Hi, this is Omar from Durub Consultancies, and this is segment 4 of part 19 of our CRM system. Here we will continue where we left in the last segment, showing how we can use the Access external file to work beyond the limitations of the CRM system. This is the Access external file that was created in segment 1. Let's open it. Here are the tables that we transferred or refreshed from the CRM database. These are the queries and report that were created in the last segments. In this segment, we will show how we can search for specific records in query and creating reports for specific records. Let's create query design. Let's just choose the contact table. Now I can click at this asterisk, the star, and the star mean here that the query will show all fields. If you click run, all the fields in the table will appear in this query. However, just test what will happen if I put the sorting here for this field. Click run, the asterisk, you can't sort on the asterisk. So how we can solve it? You can just clear this one. You can just make another field which is contact ID and put ascending to it. But here is the catch. If you click run, you will find that there is two fields representing contact ID. This one has been created by the system, and this is the main one. What's the solution? The solution is taking it out from the query. So this will affect the query, but it will not be shown in the query. So if we click run, it is just the original records. Now we want to search for a specific record, for a specific ID record. We can say, let's say equal 1, the ID equal 1. And there is a specific record, but sometimes we want to have flexibility, not to go inside the design, the query design, but to have it at runtime. So how we can solve this? How we can do this? We can use simple, let's make this query Q contact 3. We can use a simple Visual Basic function. Let's make another module. Let's have function enter ID, and here enter ID equal input box enter contact ID. Copy. Let's go to the query. And let's put it equal let's see, enter contact ID 1, and here it is. Let's save, exit. Now at any time we just click here, enter contact ID, let's make it 2, and you can see the query. With this query, we can generate also reports. Let's create a report based on this query. Query 3, all of them, next, 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 in column. Let's make it finish. Enter report 1. So I'm making a report. I need to redefine the design, change the design a bit, but I'm making a report for one record, just one record. And this is the idea, how to make reports for records, specific records. Let's make another report now. We have this contact. Let's make a query. Linking them together. And we said that there might be a problem in the names for the report. So let's change the name. This is contact name, colon. And this is, sorry, this is contact name. And this is company name. Run. Save. And this is query contact 4. Now, suppose I want really to find record with date of birth parameter. How can I use that? How can I do that? We will make another Visual Basic function. Enter date of birth. Input box, enter part date of birth or part of it. Let's return back to the query, design. Here I'm going to put like tick star tick and tick star tick. What will happen here is the function will appear asking to enter the date of birth of part of it, let's say 1972, and this is the record. If I, for example, let's save it, close, click 19 only, okay, and I will have two records because 19 is in both of these records. Now, as I said in the first segment of this part 19, we are not going to go into great details in this matter. What I'm trying to do in these 4 segments is to show, or to say it in another word, is to give a flavor of what can be done, hoping that you might have the interest. to learn more about it and to see how you can utilize this wizard and customize it to your need. This is the end of segment 4, and this is the end of part 19 of this series. Thank you for watching.